Okay, it's Jen with DP Addiction Adventures, and this is video 3 of the DAC Extravaganza. Don't worry, more videos are to come. I have like 15 I have to unbox over the course of this week. So I hope you enjoy this video as much as I did. I love the color palette and I love this artist. She just had a little tiny baby girl this year. So celebrate with me as we unbox this. Okay, we have number 3 of Diamond Art Club. Now, I truly don't know what this is because I just grabbed it from the stack behind me. Let's figure out together what is inside this DAC. We do know from looking at the box that it is round because it has a pink stripe. I love that they put on the outside what comes in the kit, as well as how to diamond paint in case you're a newbie. Nothing wrong with being a newbie. I do have some tips and tricks you can also watch on how to diamond painting for DP 101. Get the 411. I'm purposely not looking because I want to be surprised as well. Here we go. Here's the toolkit. Now I'm not surprised because I know what's in here. All right, so this is a round toolkit. Look at the picture, see what's going on. I purchased this. I love Mandie Manzano, and this came out. I also love the color green. I know my friend Odd But Nice does, as well as Tia. You ready to see what this is? I'll show you. This has greens. It's got a lot of oranges and reds too. It's called My Garden Needs Tending. Well, that could be taken many different ways. Okay, so it's these beautiful greens and yellows, oranges, browns. Oh, look, 2 bags of orange ABs. Oh, I'm in heaven. AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It's a certain coating. Makes it look sequency versus sparkly. Absolutely love it. I waited and waited and waited and then jumped as soon as this came. This is Mandie Manzano's version of Poison Ivy. Whew. Come on. Come on. It is 22 by 29, which translates into 56 by 74. Diamond Art Club puts the name, My Garden Needs Tending, the size, who the artist is, the pasting area. So this is full. Has 31 colors. Isn't she beautiful? She's deadly. Oh, I love this little flower. She's just like, come to mama. I'm not going to hurt you at all. Okay, so the ones, which was all that orange we saw. Let's see. It's over here in her hair, all up here in her hair. This almost reminds me of the 80s bangs that everyone we tried to get. And you've seen my face. It's like, or my hair, it's flat, stick straight. Ones are through here. There's some on her lips. It's like the deadly orange. Don't kiss her. You may die. And then the 2s are just like normal Mandie Manzanos. Usually they're outlining the black here to give a black and white shadowing of sorts. But I just love this one. This will probably be one I definitely do in 2021. I'm actually going to stick a pull out there of many of my current paintings that I have sitting here and asking my members for both Patreon and YouTube to help me decide what to do. So if you are a VIP or elite member, you'll be able to help me decide which ones to do this year. Okay, so this is 50, almost 56. It's like 1 millimeter shy of 56. And they do ask, because of potential distortion, if it's, you know, sometimes if we try to do exact, it's going to distort the image a little bit. So they do ask at least 1 centimeter, but Diamond Art Club tries to make it as close as possible. And it is 73.5. It says 74. So yes, this is true to size. Like I said, it has the upper left key, bottom right key. It also comes with the sticker, so you can cut this off. This is the older looking sticker, as I did buy this a little bit ago. I just haven't opened it. It also comes with a sticker here that you can put inside your logbook in the back. Fits perfectly when you peel it off. Then you can write all the information you want of the unboxing and when you're done with it, what you thought of it. Love that Diamond Art Club does that for us now. And yeah, so that is a wrap for the DAC Extravaganza. I do have many, many more. I haven't counted them yet, but I know I have at least 15 that I haven't opened. So that would be, now we're down to 12, unless I had more than 15, because I'm just guessing. To unbox from DAC that I have purchased over the last 6 months. All the information is down below of price and link to purchase this direct. There's also a code link as well if you want 15% off. So I don't think you want to see me repackaging this up. So until next time, be blessed, take care. I would love if you gave me a thumbs up or a subscribe to be part of the family. So until next time, be blessed, take care.